Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to improve coding efficiency with Codeium. Codeium's AI powered features can help streamline your coding process, reduce errors and speed up development. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorials on how to set up Codeium. Now open your code editor and start a new project or open an existing one. As you type, Codeium will provide real-time suggestions for code completions, which can help you write code faster. One way to improve efficiency is by using Codeium's autocomplete features. As you type, Codeium will suggest code snippets, function names, and even whole blocks of code. Accept these suggestions by pressing Tab or Enter button to speed up your coding. Leverage Codeium's intelligent code completions to reduce the amount of boilerplate code you need to write. This not only speeds up development but also helps ensure that your code follows best practices. Codeium also assists with error reduction by flagging potential issues and providing corrections in real time. Pay attention to these suggestions to avoid common mistakes and write error-free code. To make the most out of Codeium, customize its settings to fit your coding style and experiences. Adjust the number of suggestions, trigger settings, and documentation preferences to streamline your workflow. Use Codeium's language-specific features to get tailored suggestions based on the programming language you are using. Whether you are coding in Python, JavaScript, or any other language, Codeium adapts to provide relevant completions. Integrate Codeium with version control systems like GitHub to get code suggestions and improvements directly within your repositories. This helps maintain consistency and efficiency across your projects. Regularly review and refactor your code with Codeium's insights. It can suggest improvements and optimizations, helping you maintain a clean and efficient code base. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.